Broken pipe breaking your groove? Well, we can help with that. Here are two homeowners, one using Orbit's revolutionary PVC-Lock fittings and the other, well, struggling. PVC-Lock significantly reduces your backyard project time by allowing you to connect piping in a quick, secure way. They simply slide in place. Its stainless steel teeth grip the pipe tightly, and a special O-ring creates a watertight seal instantly. PVC-Lock lets you skip applying primer and glue, then having to wait for hours while it sets. PVC-Lock can be used on dry or wet piping, making them perfect for quick DIY repairs, and can be twisted to adjust position. The fittings are removable, so you're not stuck if you make a mistake. PVC-Lock was designed for pros in the field, so the fittings are durable and super quick to install. In fact, PVC-Lock has been reliably working in the ground for nearly 15 years. Let us help you work smarter and get back into the flow of life.